Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. The short week, sort of messing up my video schedule. We made a video yesterday with some of the technicals that I'm watching. We're making a video today to review a trade that I took right off that video that I made yesterday. So 2 days in a row, posting some content for you guys today. 100% trade on Facebook today. This call out was straight from the video yesterday in the morning live stream this morning if you come hang out in the live streams, and again in the Discord chat. So congratulations to anyone that watched any of those videos, got some insight on some of the great potential setups that we were seeing into this week. And today I took a Facebook call. I am still holding it, and right now up about 100% on this play. An awesome play, a very clean technical level that I was taking this off. And in today's video, I want to once again show you this technical level and hopefully educate you on this break and retest strategy that I have been using. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one. If you do, after watching it, press that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and press that bell notification so that you guys know every single time that I post. So guys, real quick, before we jump into this video, gonna give the Discord chat one more quick plug. 30% off your first 3 months if you use the code down below. Also gonna pop it up on your screen by the end of this week, Sunday. Awesome community. Can't say enough things about it. Voice chat every single day. Trades, if you are there to see some other people's trades, you can see my trades and others. But again, I always say this to anyone that's interested. This is not a signals chat. This is a community of learning, of educating, of collaborating. This is a real trading community. People getting together on a daily basis, calling out things that are moving, talking about potential plays. That is the main focus. This is not somewhere to come to get rich overnight. I want to make that clear before you have any interest in joining. So if you are interested, down below, first link in the description, 30% off your first 3 months. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into this Facebook trade. All right, guys, so Facebook here on your screen. This is the daily chart, and the daily and the 4 hour were the two time frames that I used to find this trade. If you watch the live streams, if you watched my video yesterday, you will know exactly what I am talking about here. And this is a beautiful break and retest on Facebook that is right here. These previous highs to this retest right here at around 373 is a very strong retest on Facebook. If I break this down to the 4 hour chart, you will see this a little bit more clear. So we had some previous highs come into the market back here on the 26th through the 29th of July. We obviously had some resistance and we fell off that level. Now, we sort of consolidated over the next few weeks, and just recently we got that push through this level. Now, this right here, this price action is not the entry that I want to take. I do not want to take original breakouts. I am no longer interested in trading this original breakout because you don't have, when you get into that trade, you do not have a clear stop loss and you do not have a clear take profit. Because at this point, you're breaking through all-time highs, you don't know how high this can go, and you also don't really have a very strict stop loss because you're just sort of taking this on a high of day breakout or an all-time high breakout. Very difficult way to manage a trade. It's more of a momentum trade, and I'm a little bit more interested in some of these structured plays like these break and retests that I have been taking, and I will show you exactly why here in today's video. So we had the breakout. What did I wait for? I waited for the retest. All right here, guys, is a beautiful retest and a very strong hold of this previous resistance. You can see we broke out, we pulled back to that previous resistance right here, pull back to the previous resistance, and we held it beautifully. Now, how do you take a trade using the break and retest? How do you set up that very nice risk to reward ratio on a trade like this? I will show you exactly how. I'll go into the hourly chart, get into this a little bit more clear. I will go ahead and take the last, let's go 30 days on here. Here we go. So last 30 days, hourly chart. And we're going to bring in these previous highs from back in late July. So if you are looking at this trade right here, how would you set up a risk to reward here on Facebook? Well, you can see we got a pullback. We got it, we got some lows that came into the market and we got a clear push higher. So where is your risk? Your risk is to the bottom of these lows. You can either use this wick low right here, right around this 373 level. You can use that as your stop loss because it's clear. If Facebook drops below 373, you are making new lows. Do you want to be in a bullish trade if the stock is making new lows? Absolutely not. And let's say that the play, I got into this play. I'm going to pull this up real quick. We'll use my actual trade example. So I got into this play today at 9:49 a.m. Got into September 17th, 380 calls for $3.20. And at the end of the day, they were up about 100%. Here is the chart that I posted intraday right there on your screen. You can see that very, very clear. So at 9:49, I'm going to quickly put a line at that 9:49 candle. I'm going to go to the 1 minute chart just real quick, just to show you guys. 9:49 is right around here. So this white line, the 375.85, is my entry. So let's go ahead and go back to the hourly chart. And here is the risk to reward. So my entry was 375.85. My risk on this trade was to new lows. That is right about, that is just about a $3 a share downside risk. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that red here on the screen for you guys to see. That is my risk right there. That red box is where I have a loss if this goes down. My reward, however, is all the way back up. I would be targeting the all-time highs on Facebook in a trade like this. So you guys can clearly see on your screen, the green box is much larger than the red box, and this is at least a 3-to-1 risk to reward. If not, if we continue to push, I'm looking at maybe even a 4-to-1 risk to reward. So this trade provides a clear stop loss and a clear take profit up here at all-time highs. If it continues to ride, let's say you have multiple contracts, you take one off, you let another one ride, and this could be an even larger risk to reward. A beautiful trade setup, and all that I was looking at, how to set this up, was a perfect break and retest here on Facebook right here. Previous resistance turning into support, using that previous low as my risk target. You guys can see if I go into the hourly chart, using that previous low as my risk right here, you can see that we got a big dip this morning, got bought up, and then I went ahead and I took this trade. So if I break this down just one more step, I'm going to go into the 5-minute chart today. I'm going to delete some of these levels here. And the reason why I actually decided to enter this trade, actually I'm going to go to the 1 minute. The reason why, the moment where I said, okay, I am willing to take this trade today, is when, this is today, this is this morning. I'm going to go ahead and quickly put on the gray area so you guys can see this a little bit more clear. Here is market open. The reason why I was saying, okay, I am ready to take this trade is because you saw this dip into that demand zone. Let me go back real quick and put this demand zone back on your screen so we make this a little bit more clear. Here's your demand zone right around here. If we go to the 1 minute, you guys will notice we dipped right into that demand zone today in the morning. Look at that dip into the demand zone and look at that reaction off of that demand zone. After seeing this reaction, after falling back into that retest level this morning, I was confident that we would see some buyers below and I could take this trade knowing that below my entry point, there is some strong buyers here on this play. I got in at 9:49. That is right here on this consolidation as we were holding up around this 375 level. I knew that at this entry point, that if we dipped down, it would be met by some strong buyers. Why did I know that? Because I waited about 15, 20 minutes until the market started to trade, after the market started to trade, to see how this initial reaction was going to be. The initial reaction was downside, huge buying pressure in the demand zone, and then I went ahead and I took my entry, and you guys can see this thing today on the 1 minute chart just continued to rally all day. So I am very happy about this trade. You may be able to tell in my voice that it is a really awesome trade. Saw this over the weekend, talked about it in my video yesterday, called it out on the live stream, and an awesome call out in the Discord chat. So congratulations to anyone that caught this with me. More importantly than just catching this trade with me, congratulations to anyone that saw this, that understood this play, and could use the technicals that I'm showing you today to replicate this exact action. An awesome trade, a beautiful break and retest right here at this 373, a beautiful push on Facebook, some really nice momentum on the NASDAQ as well. Of course, the profits right now are unrealized. So we'll see what happens. Either way, I love this trade setup. I know I can replicate it. And even if I give back some profits on Facebook, I know in the future I can use this exact same strategy to make some really, really nice plays. So once again, there's my Facebook trade. If you guys learned something from this video, please comment down below. Please press the like button. It helps out the videos. It helps it get out to more people. And I very much appreciate your support. All right, guys, so that's just about all that I have for you in today's video. Video was a little short today, but I think it does pack a lot of educational value for you guys. This break and retest, showing you how it worked from the beginning to the end. In yesterday's video, in the morning live stream, showing you this before it occurred, and wanted to jump on here once again to show you how it worked out really nicely. This break and retest shows up so much in the market, and it is definitely a powerful way to trade using quality risk to reward ratio. So if you guys enjoyed this video, press that like button, subscribe to the channel for some more videos. I will keep you updated on this Facebook play. Maybe it gives some, gives some move back. Maybe it breaks through highs tomorrow. I am not sure. Either way, I am very happy with my entry. And at this point, I really can't lose money. I'm either going to break out, I'm either going to stop out, break even. I'm up 100%. I either stop out, break even, or I continue to see this thing move higher. That is the beauty of getting in here at some really strong demand zones with really good risk to reward. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, press that like button, check out the Discord chat, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.